The weather for us. Morning, Sarah.
Good morning to you, Naga and Steph. I'm in Hebden Bridge this morning for the first ever pumpkin festival here, and it is certainly quite a chilly start to the day. We've got clear skies around through the day. That means many of us will see some decent spells of sunshine, but it does mean it's quite a chilly start this morning. So through the morning then, there will be some mist and some fog patches around across many parts of the country, but once they clear away, plenty of sunshine around too. It's particularly across western parts of England, southern England and parts of Wales where we've got those mist and those fog patches, but I think they'll clear away over the next few hours. And then for most of us, it's a day of light winds, plenty of blue sky and sunshine. A bit windier though across the Northern Isles though. We could see gales there developing through the day, but elsewhere lighter winds and most of us staying dry. Now across Scotland, away from the Northern Isles, it should be less windy and there'll be some spells of sunshine. It should remain dry too. Sunshine continuing down across much of northern England, so a dry afternoon to come. Just the chance of a rogue shower across parts of East Anglia, but most places are avoiding them. And temperatures in the south around about 14 degrees or so for most places. Heading towards the southwest of England, after the morning mist and low cloud clears away, we're looking at a sparkling afternoon with lots of blue sky, lots of sunshine and light winds too. A similar story across Wales, dry and fine, just a bit of patchy cloud drifting around. And heading across the Irish Sea towards Northern Ireland, here also we're looking at a really decent afternoon to come. Just 12 degrees or so in Belfast, so feeling on the cool side, but some sunshine to compensate. And then this evening and overnight, what we're going to notice is the wind picking up, especially across the northern half of the country, gales for parts of Scotland. There'll also be a bit of patchy rain for the hills in the west of Scotland and cloud filtering south across the country. But in the clearer skies further south, it'll be quite chilly as we start off the morning. So to start your weekend, after that fresh start in the south, it'll be quite a cloudy day for most places, quite windy too, particularly breezy across parts of Scotland and into the northeast of England as well. There could be gusts of around 50 miles per hour. Less windy further south, and there'll be some spells of sunshine, most places looking dry, with temperatures on Saturday between around 13 to 16 degrees. And then a bit of a change into the second half of the weekend. We see the winds coming around to more of a northerly direction, so a colder direction. They could bring one or two showers towards eastern parts, but most places again looking dry. And the clouds should clear away towards the south on Sunday, but it'll feel colder than it has done recently, with temperatures around about 9 to 15 degrees. And don't forget that the clocks go back during the early hours of Sunday. Now I am here in Hebden Bridge, where the Pumpkin Festival is well and truly underway. Lots of installations of pumpkins throughout the town here. And I'll show you this one down here. Now, if you've ever seen the film Castaway, you'll recognise this scene. You've got your little pumpkin sitting there on the island. He's even got his ball there, Wilson, as well, sitting next to him. And a bit further down the river, there's actually another pumpkin, a bit like this one, but he's sitting in a kayak too. And throughout the morning, we've actually got a live pumpkin carving by our professional pumpkin carver, Jamie. He's doing a brilliant job. He started off with just an untouched, huge pumpkin first thing this morning, and it's really taking shape now. So we'll be checking in with Jamie a little bit later on in the morning. So that's it. Back to you, Steph and Naga.
Oh, it's amazing the imagination that's gone into all of these. You know, you've got Wilson from Castaway, we had Patsy and Adina from Absolutely Fabulous, didn't we? We had one of Naga, I think, earlier on. And
was that the gargoyle?
No.
Thanks, Steph.
Thanks very much.